Yo everyone, so short video today where I'm going to be talking about I guess a topic that's a little bit different to what I usually talk about, but this particular video is going to be about the mindset you need to have success with cold email and just lead generation in general. Actually, it really applies across the board, and you could probably argue marketing in general. So really I think a lot of people can really struggle with cold email lead gen in general because they kind of have the wrong mentality and mindset about it. And this is why I wanted to make this video. I think they have delusional expectations. And they give up too easily as a result because those delusional expectations just aren't met and realized, basically. So the mindset really that you want to have to achieve success with cold email lead generation in general is that you need to understand that it's really just all about testing, iteration, and optimization. It's really the way it helps me personally, and I think it would help you as well, is to look at cold email or any kind of outbound lead gen campaign as almost like a paid advertising campaign, right? Like if I've been involved with different companies that run paid media, the reality is you're never going to run a campaign literally straight away, especially to a cold audience, and it start being a profitable ad campaign right away. Generally, there's a period of testing. You got to test headlines, the copy, the targeting, the ad creative, imagery, all this kind of stuff. It's really the same with cold email and outbound lead gen in general. So this is really the mindset you need to have. This is the hint I'm giving you. It's like you need to approach it almost like some kind of scientist, like a data scientist. You're out there trying to get data about what messaging's working, what angles, what value props are getting the best response, what pain points you're targeting are getting the best response. Because some markets, some verticals will have multiple pain points. They'll have multiple results or desires they want, and sometimes you just got to figure that out through literally just doing outreach and getting feedback. Okay, if you haven't previously done kind of market research and know this stuff in advance. So so this is really the mindset you need to have. It's just one of almost like a data scientist collecting data, collecting feedback that you can then use to iterate and optimize your messaging, subject lines, just your process, your targeting. Maybe there's ICPs that are going to produce better response than others. So this is really the key mindset. And I think a lot of people don't get that. They've been duped by a lot of the bullshit online about outbound lead gen in general. Doesn't matter if it's cold email, LinkedIn, whatever, and just think the sky will be raining down with clients after 30 days, which is just completely fucking ridiculous. So, you really need to have that mindset in order to have success with this. That's pretty much all there is for me to say on it. I can guarantee if you have that mindset, long term, you're going to outlast all these jokers who give up after 1 month. Easy. So that's pretty much it. Hope that helps. I know it's a little bit different to kind of the usual more, what could you say, kind of, I guess most of my other videos are a bit more practical or technical based with lead gen. But I just thought this is important to cover this topic because it's, it's just not going to help you if you don't have the right mindset. So that's pretty much it. Hope that helps. If you like it, let me know, drop a comment, subscribe, and see you on the next video.